This cart had things ready for a patient upstairs.
Whoa, what happened here?
I did that. Everyone ready? Wait, what is that under the blanket? Achoo! Surprise! Leo, does your mom even know you're in here? Okay, got it. Thanks. You can come, but you behave, understand? Understood! You're gonna get us in trouble. Hi, we have an appointment for Lara. Fever, been going on 2 days. Let me pull that up. Please have a seat. The nurse will call her shortly. Lara, we're ready for you. Stay right here, okay? Dad'll be here soon.
I'm gonna go look around. Have fun. I'm staying here. Suit yourself. It's so slippery!
Please, just a small amount is enough. Now I have to mop this up.
Sorry about the mess.
Nice and neat. Wish everyone used just the right amount.
My mom taught me. A little goes a long way. Oh, perfect.
Vroom, vroom!
Whoa, hey! This isn't a toy. Someone might need this.
Oh, sorry.
Wheelchairs are for patients who need help walking. Let's put it back where it belongs, okay?
Here you go, sir. Let me get that for you.
Oh, thank you, young man. That's very kind.
That's exactly the help we like to see.
Happy to help. Whoa, that's kind of funny, actually.
Hey now, quiet voices and gentle around the babies, please. They startle easily.
Sorry.
You know how to walk past it and calm.
Good instinct. My aunt told me babies scare easy. Didn't want to wake them. Let's see what's on all these floors. This is not the toy corner.
You look lost, buddy. Where are your parents?
Good question. Go ahead, there's room.
Appreciate that. This cart's heavier than it looks.
No problem. Give me my chips!
Hitting it won't help. Let me open it for you.
Sorry, my snack got stuck. Excuse me, miss. My snack got stuck in the machine. Could someone help?
Sure thing. Let me grab the key and open it up.
Here you go. Thank you so much for your help. Yes, this chair has a cold.
That's actually mine, and it's not a toy. It helps me listen to real patients' hearts.
Sorry, doctor. It looked cool.
Oh, thank you. Fast hands.
Saw it slipping.
Wish more kids paid that much attention.
Cool.
Excuse me, could you please put those back when you're done? Other kids want to play too.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Try putting the big ones on the bottom.
I did it!
That was sweet of you.
It's more fun with 2 people anyway.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, kind of. My stuff's there.
Son, could you sit properly so others can sit too?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Is this seat taken?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thank you, dear. Now that's how it's done. Hey, we were here first.
It's just a cookie.
1 dessert per tray, please, and the line starts back there.
Right. Sorry.
Just the one? Some kids try to sneak 3.
I figured everyone else wants some too.
Wish more people thought like that.
Enjoy your lunch.
Whoa! Hey! Careful!
I don't like it here. I want to go home.
I did that. Leo? I didn't mean to...
Whoa, what happened here?
This cart had things ready for a patient upstairs. What happened? Is everyone okay?
Leo, what happened? Leo, we're a team, and I need you to be honest with me. Can you do that?
Yeah. I wasn't watching where I was going. I made a mess, and that kid's crying because of me. Here, let me help.
Thank you. That's kind of you.
Hey, I'm really sorry I scared you. It's okay, I promise. Want to see something silly?
You're funny.
Look at that.
That was a good save.
Good news, it's just a common flu bug. Plenty of fluids, rest, and she'll be back to normal in a few days.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Can we get ice cream on the way home? I think that's fair after all this. So Leo, still glad you snuck along?
Honestly, yeah, even the messy parts. You caused chaos in like 6 different rooms.
But he made it right in the end.
I liked when you made that kid laugh.
Yeah, me too, actually. So that's what happens when you sneak into someone's hospital trip. Worth it, mostly. See you next time!